Appeal to you researchers, those of you who are still going to do PhDs, masters, but even those of you who will be writing articles, those of you who will be doing postdoc programs, let's zero into the problems of Africa. The illicit money flows that are keeping our continent forever poor because nothing much is being done to arrest these tax havens that cost money that ought to be coming into our national kitty to be flying out elsewhere. Let's go deep into our problems as South Africa and Africa and ask a critical question. Why is it that a continent so rich in minerals, water, and fertile soil, we are counted among the beggars? Why? It's nonsensical. Why is it that countries that have nothing, like Singapore, South Korea, and the UK, are rich? Where do they get the wealth from? What is it that makes France as rich as it is? What is it that explains our desperation to be risking our lives, crossing the oceans? What are we pursuing? Food, a better life, because though we are rich in what is required to make us counted among the first world countries, we don't benefit from our resources, and we are afraid to say so because it is dangerous. We resign ourselves to what others prescribe to us as being what is permissible for us to say. The time to get out of our comfort zones. The time has come for us not to want to be favored and have people clap hands for us because we say what they want us to say. It's time to be true to your own convictions. Let those who condemn you. It's all right. Why should they agree with you? It is the time to unite.